सबदा गदा समर्थ स्वामी सुखियो मंद सहारे काहे नानक मन मेरे सदा
Good evening everyone. Welcome to the evening session. Thank you for joining. Before we go ahead and start our session today, may I please request you to confirm if you can hear us and see us. Welcome Meenakshi. Richard, welcome. Nice to have you. Surekha, Sujata, प्रीति, सुधाकर जी, सुरेंद्र जी, वेलकम to the evening session. If you can confirm that all clear, welcome Raj. Thank you for clearing. Thank you for letting me know. Again, I would like to really thank you from bottom of my heart for all the support you all are giving. Very soon I have now applied to council and also sent emails to the people in Parramatta Council, also Cumberland Council, so that we can start a face-to-face session very soon. Starting because I'm seeing that the restriction will be eased very soon, and I'm getting ready for that. And thank you very much for supporting and responding to my call for donations. Many people have now started doing it, and I'm sure that as usual, like from last 2 years, we will get there with all of you, and we'll soon see you face to face as well. So I really wanted to thank every one of you for doing that. And these centers, all the centers in Pennant Hill, Schofield, Parramatta and Westmead, they are very close to my heart, because not because that I run that, the only reason because I have so many stories of people. Every day, every other day, I get so much encouraging story that how Mita Wellness has changed their life. So Mita Wellness is not one person. It's not made by one person. Mita Wellness is made by all the people who come, who join, who do. For example, we've been doing almost 2 months online. So this is one our family where we come together, we look forward to see each other. And I know what people will need after 10 years, 15 years, when all the responsibility is done. So from today only I am trying to build that. And I am very happy that no matter what happens, I am going to make, that is my dream, to build a house where everyone can come and stay and be a part of this beautiful journey on the second part of our life. So many people say, I always tell them, it's not a normal yoga and meditation session. It's a wellness class where we connect to our core, our own being. So if you're looking for something peace, you will get peace. If you're looking for something more, to connect to that divine which we are here to know why we are here, so to find the purpose of life. So I have amazing stories from all the centers. Every day I get amazing beautiful message, and no matter what happens, I am going to keep this going for rest of my life, and I will change things and I will maneuver the things to make sure it is on the track. And I am sure there is not a single time that I have seen that people don't come up and contribute. Some people donate, some people come as a volunteer, some people do marketing, some people just share the post. Everyone, some people just go and tell other people about us as a family. So it's all beautiful, and I am very thankful. Again, with this grateful heart, we start our session. Those who are joining first time today, just make sure that we give 100% and create no resistance. You are at home, so there will be a lot of disturbance. So when we do meditation or yoga, remember this: we are doing only for 2 things. Why we are doing this yoga and meditation? What we learn from yoga and meditation? 2 things only. That if we can do these 2 things, then no matter what activity you do, that will be called yoga and meditation. So first thing is that our mind always goes into past and future. It never lives in present. So we are training our mind to be in present moment. Every thought you get, if you look closely, you will know that every thought either belongs to past or belongs to future. A thought cannot happen about the present. Now what is past and future? A 5 minute before can be past, a 5 minute after can be future. So the moment, the life is not happening as in days and weeks. It is happening moment by moment by moment by moment. So the moment comes from future, comes into present and goes into past. So one moment is thousand part of the 1 second. So it's so tiny. The life is made out of these moments. It's a series of moments. One moment comes, goes. One moment comes from future, comes into present, goes into past. This moment by moment by moment life is happening. and life is happening here in this present moment here. Now, when this present moment comes here, that's where we live. But whatever thought we are having, that either of the moment which has not arrived or the moment which has gone. Now all these moments which comes from future, we cannot predict about them because they are into illusionary world. They haven't come yet. So they are on the way to come to us, but they haven't come to us. But they are imagination. And the moment which goes into the past, they form our memory. So either memory or imagination. So that is what is happening, and life is happening in present. So we have we developed this sickness in our mind, that constantly thinking, from morning to evening we are thinking. Understand this: when you are thinking, you are either in past or into future, never in present. When you are not in present, life is happening in present. So we keep on missing on the life which is happening. So we live either in past, which is memory, or imagination. So that is the first dysfunction. So all our kriyas are like that, to learn to be in present. Like children are always in present. Nowadays, but I see many children are also developing this sickness. So the best place to live in present. Second thing, with every thought, whatever thought, when your mind is in future, it's always thinks, oh, will this happen, will that happen, will I have this, will I not have this, will my job continue, not continue. So whenever you are in future, it will create anxiety. And whenever you see that, go back into the past, you will see that it creates anger. He said that, she said that, he did that, why she behaved like this, why he behaved like this. When it thinks about past, it's always anger creating. When it is thinking about future, it's always creating anxiety. And we dwell between anger, anxiety almost every time. And that is why we are feeding this thought process. So every time you are in past, either you are, so when you say anger or anxiety, basically they are nothing but the unpleasant sensation you are creating inside you. So your past and future only creates unpleasant sensation inside you. Now trigger may be anything, but the experience is happening inside here. So I am the owner of this body, I am the owner of this mind. I need to control what is happening inside me, not the other triggers. And the best way to do is to live in present. When you are in present, there is no anxiety, there is no fear, there is no anger. When all these things are not there, you will not react, you will respond, you will still be able to work, you will still be able to do everything all people do, but you will be blissful at the time. So these two things: one, to live in present; second, neither to create unpleasant or pleasant sensation in the body. And whenever pleasant and non-pleasant sensation arises in this body, I don't react to them. So you might have noticed that you are thinking something and you are feeling uneasy, and then suddenly somebody does something and you slap them or you scold them. Especially children are at receiving end. You will say they will have no, it's just triggering. You are triggering that, not the children. So we learn these two things. So try to be mindful when you do movement. Try to feel the movement. When you touch, feel the touch. And keep feeling your touch, breathe. So we anchor our mind in present moment, and then we will do some breathing techniques, and after that we will do meditation. So let's start with today's session. Sit back, relax, eyes closed, both the hands, palms on the knees. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Keep gentle smile on the face. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. With next long and deep breath in, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Turn your head towards your left as much as possible till it stops on its own and stretches as much as possible. Once fully stretched, put your right palm onto your right cheek. Feel the movement, feel the touch of your palm. Press your right cheek onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly, hand going down. Turning towards right as much as possible, then slowly, slowly, palm going onto the left cheek. Press your cheek onto the palm and feel the touch, feel the warmth, feel the cold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly feel the hand going away, neck tilting, both the palm onto your Agna Chakra. Between the two eyebrows, press your forehead onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Slowly, slowly going on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, slowly, slowly hand going down. Left. Hand going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel the hand movement, feel the neck movement, feel the air on face, front of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press your head onto your palm. 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Again, now we'll do Vishuddhi Chakra, which is in the throat, also called throat chakra. So, take your chin to your throat, down to the chest, neck going up in round circle, only half circle, not full circle. Going down, again going up. Bring your mind into this present moment by feeling the stretch. Anchor your mind into the present moment. Feel the clothes, feel the stretch, gentle smile on the face. Become aware of what's going into your body and mind without judging or labeling. Very good. Now both the hand onto your knee, making 360-degree circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. Make sure your shoulder blades are touching each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now Anahata Chakra. Both the hand. Stretch as much as possible and close your eyes and feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now for Manipuraka Chakra, which is 1 inch above navel, just go down to your left knee, come back, then to the center, come back, then to the right, feel the stretch and come back, again to the left, coming back to the center, coming back. Keep your eyes closed, make sure you are anchoring your mind into present. Also keep a very alert watch onto your head. What is going in my head? And also try to notice when something goes into your head, try to notice whether this thought which just came into your mind, did that belong to past, future, and what that thought was about, what that thought is trying to tell you. Don't judge. If the good thought, bad thought, no worries. Just don't judge it, don't label it. Just become aware what is going in my head. Alright, now we'll do full circle. Left, center, right, go down as much as possible. This Kriya is called Mita Short Kriya. This is on YouTube. So we are doing every day now, but when we finish with our sessions from 31st May, you might want to do it by watching YouTube video. Obviously we are going to meet on face-to-face sessions, but in case if you not able to come, but every day you will do this. Opposite. Feel the stretch, feel the clothes. Become aware of your mind, what is going in your mind. Very good. Now open your left leg. Put your right leg on your left thigh. Press it to chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press as much as possible. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now opposite. When you are doing it, just make sure you are feeling it as well. That's why I say keep your eyes closed, because your eyes are the doors. Mind just goes out. When your eyes are closed, you can feel and also you can see what is going in your head. Always make sure that you are aware what is happening in your body, what is happening in your mind, what kind of thought you are having, whom you are keeping in your head. That is very important that we know that who all lives in our head. Because many times we remember people whom we don't like more than the people we like. See the dysfunction of the mind? You should remember people, now we'll do Shishupalasana, whom you like more. But unfortunately, mind is so sick that it always remembers the people whom we hate or we don't like. And we waste our energy on the people whom we don't like, thinking about them most of the time. All the things from the past. He did that, she said that. Try to listen to the stories your mind tells you, which has nothing to do with the present. All this anxiety, depression, all these things, it doesn't exist anything. All the mental suffering is illusionary. Just wake up and see that there is nothing called depression, there is nothing called anxiety, there is nothing called fear, there is nothing called loneliness, there is nothing called boredom. It's all the suffering created by mind just because we don't understand. Kiss your baby. Very good. Now with opposite leg. The stretch is going straight to your Mooladhara chakra, the basic, the foundation chakra, from where all this energy is stored. Once you activate your Mooladhara chakra, you start to see that the energy is flowing upwards, igniting all the chakras. Very good. Now we'll do kiss your baby. Very good. Now we'll do butterfly pose. Go down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Keep your back straight. Bring your legs as close to as possible. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. We are going to take 1 minute pause, 1 or 2 minute pause. Just stretch your leg, stretch your back, stretch your hands. If you want to drink water, drink water. Because next half an hour we'll be doing pranayam and also we'll be doing meditation. Just 2 minutes and please come back in 2 minutes. Stretch yourself so that next half an hour you can sit peacefully. Welcome back. Sit into Ardha Padmasana. We'll do Bhastrika first. Keep your mouth closed. Both the hand beside your shoulder. When hand goes up, we have to take breathe in. When hand comes down, we have to exhale forcefully. Basically, we are pushing more oxygen in and getting rid of carbon dioxide. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe. Relax. Become aware of the sensation on your palm. Anchor your mind onto your palm. Experience the oxygen mixing with your blood, rejuvenating every blood cell. The head is getting lighter, the body is getting calmer and in relaxed mode. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, in, 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 out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, out, in, 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 out. Relax. Again, take your attention to your palm. Become aware of tingling sensation on your palm. Anchor your mind into present moment by watching the sensation on your palm. Become aware of the blood flow. Tension on your palm. One more last time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Anchor your mind onto your palm. Just watching the sensation on your palm, keeping your eyes closed, back straight. Don't chant anything, don't imagine anything. Just attention on your palm. Watch exactly what is happening in this present moment on your palm. Kapalbhati pranayam, exhaling through nose. Don't inhale, we have to just exhale all the carbon dioxide out. So, making room for oxygen only. Start. Relax. Become aware of the peace which is surrounding you inside and outside. Try to listen to this peace. Try to become aware of all the sensations Welcome everything happening around you. Don't create resistance to any voice, noise, or disturbance. Welcome the present moment as it is, as if you have chosen it, without creating any resistance. Let everything happen. One more time, Kapalbhati, start. Relax. Become aware of the silence. सारा ध्यान अपने आसपास की शांति को महसूस करें. Become aware of your energy body just in the perimeter of your body, 1 inch above your skin. Become aware of your aura, 1 inch top of your skin, surrounding entire body. Become aware of your energy body. Feel your energy body from inside, on face, hand, just 1 inch away from your skin. You can feel entire energy body like an aura surrounding you. Anulom Vilom. Right thumb on right nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Close with your pinky finger. Exhale. Breathe in. Close with your thumb. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. Take long and deep 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 breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Sit in a comfortable position. If you can dim the light, dim the light. Once you are in a comfortable position, try to stay still. Do not imagine any image, or do not chant, or do not do anything which is not being told. Follow the strict instruction. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Now when you next time you take long and deep breath in, feel the air touching inside your nostril to the entire length. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, second stage. Feel your lungs when you take breathe in and breathe out. Feel your lungs expanding and contracting. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Become aware of the movement of your lungs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. At third stage, become aware of the movement of your belly. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. You see your belly expanding and contracting. Take long deep breath in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now take your entire attention at the entrance of the nostril. सारा ध्यान नासिका ऊपर ले जाए and become aware of natural breath coming in, natural breath going out. We are training our mind to be in present by watching what is happening in this present moment. And you will experience the nature of mind, you will experience the bliss of presence. And become aware. Entire attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं के दरवाजे पर केंद्रित करते हुए एक एक सांस के आवागमन को जाने. Become aware of every incoming breath and outgoing breath. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक आती जाती सांस को जाने. Some of you might notice that breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. Just observe it, don't try to change it. We are just practicing to be observant of our own natural breath. जानते रहे, breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. Entire length of incoming breath, entire length of outgoing breath. जानते रहे. उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. मन भटक जाए तो उसे फिर वापस ले आए. If your mind wanders away, bring it back onto your nostril. Very alert, very diligent. एक एक सांस पे पहरा लगा रहे, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे, एक एक सांस को जानते रहें. Now take your attention at the top of your head, a small circle on top of your head, and try to feel the sensation on top of your head. No matter what kind of sensation you feel, don't try to change it. If you feel itchy, just observe the portion on my top of head feeling itchy. Don't go and itch there. Just become aware. You might feel some other sensation like dryness, cold, wetness. Just see what is happening right now on top of my head. Now bring your attention to your forehead and scan your forehead from right to left, left to right for any kind of sensation. There are only two kind of sensation, one is pleasant, one is unpleasant. Don't create craving when you have a pleasant sensation, or don't create aversion when you have unpleasant sensation. You will see the nature of pleasant or unpleasant sensation is same. It's impermanent. You will see when a itching comes, if you don't react, it stays there for some time. It increases its intensity, so you react to it. Again it tries your patience, again it increases. And if you don't respond to it, you will see that sooner or later that sensation has to go without you doing anything. So same, put your entire attention not onto any other part of the body, just on the forehead. जानते रहे. Take your attention on your top of your nose and become aware of any kind of sensation on top of your nose like cold, heat, itching, sweatiness, dryness, tingling, any kind of sensation. But don't create any craving, don't create any aversion. Just become very observant what is happening on my nose at this moment. Take your attention to your upper lip and become aware of any sensation on your upper lip. You might feel tightness, looseness, you might feel itchiness, you might feel sweat, you might feel dryness. Don't touch it, don't try to react to it. Whatever sensation comes, let it come. Take your attention onto your lip. Become aware of any kind of sensation on your lip, like dryness, wetness. Don't try to change it. Just become aware. Take your attention to your right cheek. Scan your right cheek for any kind of sensation. Do not try to change any sensation. Just become aware of any kind of sensation like itching, dryness, wetness, sweating. Just become aware. Don't create any aversion or craving for any pleasant or unpleasant sensation. बस जानते रहे what is happening on my right cheek right now. And you will see on your experiential level that none of these sensations are permanent. Every sensation comes onto our body, whether it's permanent or whether it's a pleasant or unpleasant. You will see that if you don't react, it is bound to go. Its nature is impermanent. बस जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। Take your attention to left cheek. Become aware of any sensation on your left cheek. Scan your left cheek for any kind of sensation. You might feel cold onto your left cheek. You might feel itching on your left cheek. Scan your entire left cheek for any kind of pleasant or unpleasant sensation, but don't try to change it. You will see that every sensation, whether it's a pleasant or unpleasant, it's bound to go. Take attention onto your left ear and become aware of any kind of sensation onto your left ear. Just become aware what is happening. Now take attention to your right ear and become aware of any sensation onto your right ear. Scan your entire ear inside out for any kind of sensation without trying to change it. And you will see that whether it's a pleasant or unpleasant sensation, it is bound to go. Now take your attention to your chin and become aware of any sensation onto your chin. Try to scan your chin for any kind of pleasant or unpleasant sensation. Now take your attention to your throat. Become aware of any sensation onto your throat. Very alert, very diligent. Don't create any aversion or craving for any kind of pleasant or unpleasant sensation. Take attention to entire face and become aware of all the sensation happening on your face, not trying to change them, just becoming observer, and you will see that every sensation which comes is bound to go. Every sensation is impermanent. Whether it's permanent, whether it's a pleasant or unpleasant sensation, you will see that they are bound to go. We don't have to unnecessarily create resistance or craving. It's the nature of sensation to pass away. बस जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। मेरे अर्जित पुण्यों में भाग सभी का हो, इस मंगल में धर्म का लाभ सभी को हो, सबका मंगल हो, सबका मंगल हो, सबका मंगल हो। तेरा मंगल, तेरा मंगल, तेरा मंगल हो ये रे। मेरा मंगल, मेरा मंगल, मेरा मंगल हो ये रे। सबका मंगल, सबका मंगल, सबका मंगल हो ये रे। जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म सिखाया, उनका मंगल हो ये रे। जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है, उसका मंगल हो ये रे। पाला पोसा और बढ़ाया, उस पिता का मंगल हो ये रे। जल में, स्थल में और गगन में सब प्राणी सुखिया हो ये रे। तेरा मंगल, मेरा मंगल, सबका मंगल हो ये रे। 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 Slowly, slowly, whenever you feel blissful, whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Once again, thank you so much for joining today. Also, once again, thank you everyone who is helping with the donations. Just now I got 2 more messages. Thank you everyone. Those who are new, please ensure that you register for Mind Body Spirit program, which is starting on 1st June. The first batch of 1st to 5th June is already full. Second batch is also getting filled up very soon. So I would recommend, because that will give you opportunity to sit with me personally one-to-one for 5 days, and we'll go on a beautiful journey for that 5 days, which will tell you what Mita Wellness is, what we are trying to do, and also take you in depth of how to transcend our mind and body It's a good opportunity for new student and also good opportunity for old student. And most probably that course will be conducted at my home here from 1st June. And we are going to have these two courses, like one course but twice in 1 month. And it is the entry foundation program for all the new student. So when they come to Mita Wellness, they know what we are about, and that will add value to their life by understanding what we do, what is our long time goal, what is short time goal, what is mind, what is body, how they play games, how to have a blissful experience. Not only to have the blissful, peaceful life, but how to actually realize, how to self realize, how to achieve goals in our life. So basically, complete mechanics of mind, body, and energy, and its interplay, and where we stand, where we are going, and what is the most important thing in life. That all will be taught in this course. So if possible, if you want to really self-explore, that is the investment you do. 5 days with me from 1st June. We'll now do one bhajan. And once again, thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow evening. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow because this is my life to be with you all. Now we are going to sing one bhajan, and once the bhajan is finished, then the session is finished. 5-10 minutes here and there, nothing much changes, but sit here till the bhajan ends, sing with me, and once it's finished, then we can close the session. And if you are online, just say hi, hello, so that I know you are online, and I will also personally respond to all of you. Let's have this beautiful bhajan. We sing together.
मनोबुद्ध्यहङ्कारचित्तानि नाहम् न च श्रोतजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशा न वा पाणिपादो न चोपस्थपायुः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मे द्वेषरागो न मे लोभमोहो मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्यभावा न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखम् न मन्त्रो न तीर्थो न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेदा पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मा न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्या चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुर्व्याप सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम् न च सङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न बन्धः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्.
Thank you very much for joining. Please do go on YouTube and try to find out the meaning of this song. You will see the song with the meaning. It's a beautiful meaning and you will know what Adi Shankaracharya is trying to tell you and what we do in Meeta Wellness. Once again, thanking you everyone and we see you tomorrow evening 6:30. Till then, have a good night.